to ask you to please move over there.
We set out at the first light. We lit up with the sunrise. Gets my heartbeat running wild when you're here by my side. And we'll dream out loud. Take our chance, take it now. We will go from this day on. Take this.
Hello, my name is Alejandro Guerra. I'm a teacher from Ecole Mondiale World School, and we're here in Uttarakhand with the students from grade 11.
Take this world from this day on.
Up. Try to take it right side and down. Make it left.
As part of the International Baccalaureate program in the school, students have to complete certain activities for CAS, creativity, activity and service. And in this trip, they are going to develop and perform some of those activities.
Everyone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Way ahead. See, look at this. Yeah.
We went to visit a school, a local school from the community here near the camp.
क्या पसंद है? खेलना पसंद है?
For these CAS activities, the idea is for students to develop many different attributes from the IB profile.
ऐसे, ठीक है? आप में से कौन ट्राई करना चाहता है? Very good. और आपको मतलब कोई आके आपको कोई मारने लगे, आपको कोई पंच करने लगे, तो जैसे इन्होंने सिखाया वैसे आप इनसे बाद में भी जाकर पूछ सकते हो कि इन्होंने क्या करा, तो तब मारोगे, सिर्फ आप ऐसे अपने दोस्तों को नहीं मारोगे।
These CAS activities also help the students to develop a friendship and relationships and the way they actually create and prepare and set new projects.
Our students really wanted to do more for them because that's the sentiment we are trying to roll in, trying to sensitize them to circumstances beyond their level of comfort that they experience. So this was an eye-opener and I did see many get sentimental.
तो हम लोग जब विलेज में एंटर होंगे तो वहाँ पे काफी सारे लोग मिलेंगे आपको।
We went to a local farm to know a little more about the local life for some of the farmers here in the region.
यहाँ पे ट्रैक्टर लाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, ट्रैक्टर से यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते। फील्ड में जो खेत है बहुत छोटे छोटे, इसमें बहुत बड़े फील्ड नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे जो लगता है हमारे जैसा बैल, ठीक है, बैल से इसको जो लगा रहे इसका हल, तो टीम डिवाइड कर लो, कौन कुदाल से इसको कम उसको तोड़ेगा, ठीक है, कौन हल लगाएगा, ओके।
क्योंकि ज़्यादा पड़ जाएगा तो वो खराब हो जाएगा, हैं, ऐसे डाला है।
A sort of long drive for 3-4 hours. We arrived to the town of Chopta.
Yeah, now we're just really excited for a hike. We're going to go up to the Oritan Lake.
Finished the first track out of the two, and in the beginning it was kind of hard, but it honestly got easier, which was kind of surprising. And oh my god, look at this view!
And it was really worth it because it was really hard at first and I couldn't do it and I kept on making excuses, but at the end I still made it, and I just 1 hour to go back down, so I'm
so proud of her.
Finally we are here trekking for like 3 hours for like 2.5 kilometers because it was a very tough trek, and it was worth coming up here because the lake and the view over there of the mountains were like beautiful.
Very tough in the beginning, but then once we reached, it was the best feeling.
My favorite part was when we like reached and like we couldn't see anything, and then suddenly we saw the lake, and all of us like ran across to the lake, and then when we were all there, we were just looking at each other and just like shouting that like we did it.
Day 4 was trek to Tunganath and Chandrashila. We had to leave early in the morning to make it to Chopta, which is a beautiful village.
We're about to start our second trek and it's very cold out here.
I don't know if I'll be able to summit, but let's try.
I'm really excited. The challenge is for us to reach the peak. I'm kind of scared as well. This one's the longer one, but yeah, let's see what happens.
Actually climbing this Chandrashila peak. It's been a great adventure. It's really tough, actually tougher than what I thought.
Most of our students were really finding it challenging. Their body was showing symptoms of cold and cough, but they still pushed it with a bit of encouragement.
Up in the summit, we're up with the Shiv temple. You can see there's a lot of decoration.
The weather was so cold that everybody's freezing and even though I have 4 layers of clothes on, I'm still dying and freezing inside. But the journey upstairs like taught me patience, and like I was able to see a lot of animals which I could never see if I didn't climb this mountain.
Difficult trek for me because I've actually been injured since yesterday. I sprained my leg. So I was actually going to give up at halftime and actually at every stop, and it was really difficult and painful. But now that I'm up, I can say that was worth every stop.
On descending, they were greeted with applause and they were made to feel like champions, which they really were at the end of the trip.
So now we are going for river rafting. So the river rafting, the water is like -5 degrees currently. So we all are damn scared, but we'll all like take off our fear and just dive into the water. We are going to raft.
We really want to get out of our comfort zone, and then we need to basically do things we usually wouldn't do on a daily basis.
As you can see, we are all in fantastic conditions. The weather is very cold, but right now the sun has come with a bit more warm.
I'm really excited because I think it's going to be my favorite activity.
Are you excited?
I've been waiting for this moment.
3, 2, 1, jump!
When we got the chance to jump, I was the first one to jump, and I've jumped twice now.
Jump! It was like damn good experience, a must do. Thanks to our instructors, thanks to our tour operator, they are brilliant.
Number 4 was very refreshing, even though it was extremely cold. Experience was very good. Water was a bit cold, but I think all of us enjoyed.
I'm very reflective on this experience because it made me enjoy teamwork even more.
The experience was amazing. It was difficult to row sometimes, but it was just amazing. You stop feeling how cold the water is because there's so much adrenaline. So great.
After lunch, an activity with the students were going to build a raft.
Okay. For the bamboos, we need to make it a completely streamlined thing. Yeah. Maybe more streamlined than a normal raft.
Lying down, you keep it here. This way the weight is balanced. First of all, the most core strength goes behind here. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Make sure these are very tightly secured.
We're trying to tie these knots to build the raft.
I'll pick it up.
We're tying a raft, and there's just some stuff we need to fix.
Come down slowly. Leave the thing and come.
This is looking good. We're gonna make it. We're gonna have a whole lot of fun time.
Guys, what are we naming? This is Borta, Big Borta. No. I say ISS Paulina. I can honestly say that there were points that I thought we would definitely fall and like, I don't know, drown or something. But it was a life-changing experience.
It was fun teaming up with Aditya and Saif and Ronit and making the boat.
We just made our boat and we rode it together. It was really fun. Me and Ruchi were behind. It was kind of chaotic. Everyone kept slipping off, but that was kind of the fun of it too. They stuck and screaming, and yeah, but we did it. So we're very proud of